Hi, I'm Manjit. I've been in the F&B business for about 20 plus years, and for the last 7 to 8 years, we've been consulting and setting up new projects all across India. In the last 20 odd years, we've been running the business pretty much like the Wild West without any scientific, without any numeric values for everything that we do. We were just going by very ad hoc kind of calculations. Ever since we've been introduced to EagleOwl, we've been able to pretty much calculate consumption patterns. We've been able to predict, or we've been able to forecast our consumption. Therefore, order wisely from our suppliers. Been able to get the right kind of ingredients at the right time of the week, and so on and so forth, which helps us optimize and utilize all ingredients to its optimal level. And I think it's been extremely helpful, and I would recommend this to any restaurant. It's very simple to use, it's very intuitive. You don't need to be a software genius or an Excel genius to be able to do something as simple as EagleOwl. Every step-by-step navigation makes it very, very easy for a novice or a non-IT person to be able to use this software. And chefs, controllers, storekeepers, and business owners, I think, find it very, very easy to use, and I would highly recommend this.